Hey guys, welcome back to Vet Ranch. I'm Dr. Dave. You can see this is Ice, a really mean, vicious pit bull. It's kind of a cool story today. So Ice was rescued from death row at our local shelter. He's got a really bad wound on his neck. He was probably chained up in a yard. I'm sure that animal control came and got him, and I don't fault them at all, but he's a pit bull and he's got a wound. Even though he's sweet, they were going to put him down. They just don't have the resources to treat stuff like this. So there's a really nice lady here with a rescue, and we were at the feed store because it's a small town. We do all our business at the feed store. And she said, "Oh, Dr. Dave, I think I have something for Vet Ranch." And she showed him to me, and I saw him. He's super, super sweet, obviously. And I don't know why he feels so good. He's got a gaping wound on his neck, and I'm sure he's never been socialized. But we said, yeah, we can definitely fix Ice. So we're going to sedate him, clean that up, suture it if we can, neuter him, give him his shots and everything, and get him on some antibiotics. Here's Ice all ready to get cleaned up. Here's that old wound, and it's really old. You can see it's starting to scar over. He's got tons of ticks all over. We're gonna pick all those off. There's one on his ear. Give him some medicine to keep him from coming back. And then we're gonna go ahead and neuter him, and he'll be ready to adopt. This is super old. I'm sure he was chained up most of his life, which is really sad because he's got a lot of energy. He's super sweet. So this is scarring in. This is what we call granulation tissue, this pink stuff here. So eventually this would heal, but what I'm gonna do is trim some of this back and this side as well, we'll call it freshening, so that I can bring this big kind of gaping crack right here together. Like I said, it would heal. This will make it heal faster and probably more comfortably, and he won't have quite as big of a scar. So we cut a little bit of this scar tissue off to get it to bleed, because the bleeding is what's gonna help it heal. And just kind of shave it like this. Shave on the other side as well. And you can see it's bleeding quite a bit, which is actually what we want in this case. Usually I get scared of bleeding, but this is good bleeding. This is going to allow it to heal better. I did the sub-Q layer, and now I'm going to do the intradermal here.
He's a lucky boy.
These intradermal stitches are really nice, not only because it heals really good. A crazy little puppy like this, especially after he starts to feel really good after all this is done, getting the stitches or staples out of his neck will take you half an hour probably, but this way they're going to absorb totally. We won't ever have to, we'll look at them, but we won't have to do anything with them, and we'll never have to deal with taking them out. Some of this stuff is just going to have to heal on its own, like kind of down here on the edges, but this big gaping wound will be closed up, and I think he'll feel a lot better than I would. You can see these guys, little hitchhikers. We're gonna get rid of these, give them some medicine to keep them from coming back.
Oh.
These are disgusting. Okay. Ah. It's disgusting. Right here! Here's Ice a couple days after his surgery, and it's looking really awesome. You can see this coming, it's just healing perfectly actually. A little bit from where we didn't quite sew it all the way up, but where we sewed it looks so good. So we're gonna keep him here for a few more days until it's all healed up, and then he's gonna go to his new home. Can you sit? Oh, good boy, good boy. It's been 10 days since Ice's surgery, and he's doing awesome. He looks beautiful. He helped save a puppy's life by donating 10 mils of blood. So yeah, we've saved 2 lives with Ice today. This week, his and the puppy's. So we were glad to have him, and we're happy to see him go and get adopted. Thanks for donating, and we'll see you on the next case.
Sometimes when you're feeling young and you're feeling tough and you're all caught up, but you don't walk right and you don't talk right, and there ain't nothing there too. I don't walk right and I don't talk right, and there ain't nothing wrong with feeling strong. But I wanna be there for you, honey, working my job and making money. But I wanna be cool for you, baby. And I'm just a fool for you, girl. But you know, in my whole world. Last week I was climbing a tree. I lost my footing, I fell 30 feet. Now I don't walk right and I don't talk right, and there ain't nothing wrong with